Before appearing in Service Selection Board, candidates have many questions but didn't know the answer. This causes lack of confidence in you, and this will lead you to your rejection. But my friends, don't be afraid, because we will tell you what you can do best, so that you crack SSB easily. To clear your other questions, go to our YouTube channel's playlist and look for Frequently Asked Questions. There you will get all the answers you want to know. In this video, I will tell you, is it necessary to speak in English? Or you can speak your native language? And why is it important for an officer to speak English? And other important things. So watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. Before we start, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so that you will be notified when we post new video. At first, you should know that a language is just a medium to communicate with others. It is not a qualification, but how you are sending your message to others will be noticed. So, first you should focus on expressing your thoughts. Second, you can choose the language that you are comfortable in. If you choose wrong, you will not be able to express your inner thoughts, and assessors will not be able to judge you properly, and you get rejected for sure. Now, you have known that expressing your thoughts is very important. Also the language you are speaking. Now, let's discuss is it necessary to speak in English, or you can speak your native language. You will be happy to know that there is no hardcore rule that you should speak in English only. Being logical and having knowledge and the confidence to deliver the lecture in English is more important than mere fluency. You have to express your idea and thoughts so that others can understand. Doesn't matter if expressive language is your native language or English. If one expressed fake behavior in profound English, his efficiency is not going to work. So it's important to be natural and communicate well. Speaking in English is an attribute that an officer should have, but that is only one quality. SSB is not about one quality. There are so many qualities that they will try to seek in you. Beside that, why to compromise with even a single quality? It hardly takes few weeks to speak English fluently. So, always be one step ahead from other candidates, and for that you should start preparing for better spoken English. It is a quality that you need to develop. Now let's take next question. Why is it important for an officer to speak English? Being an officer in armed forces, often you will get chance to interact with foreign nationals, and you need to communicate well. Since you will be representing your country, you can't afford to let your country down in any aspect, especially as petty as spoken English. Fluency in English is not an officer-like quality, but effective communication is. I hope you have your answer now. Dear friends, before moving forward, if you have any questions regarding SSB, you can comment below. We will make videos for you. Now, I'm telling you how you can prepare for spoken English. Work on 3 steps for 30 days. These will definitely bring a good outcome. Any language consists of 3 parts, that are reading, speaking and listening. So you need to focus on all 3. Let's start first point. Read English newspapers. Select a topic. For example, a current affairs one. Discuss it with your friends in English. Choosing a current affairs topics will definitely help you in SSB during lecturate and group discussion. Now let's talk about second point. Try to converse in English at home, school, workplace. Try to make a habit of speaking in English, and take feedback from your friends. And let's discuss last point. Listen to English news channels. Maintain a handy notebook to note down any word you hear or see, which is new to you. Search its correct usage and use it in your day-to-day life. Some candidates Those are from rural area. Don't have English environment to practice. Don't worry friends. I have a solution for you. And that is, you can talk to yourself. Yes, it's true. Be a good friend of yours. That's all for now, candidates. Friends, if you like this video, please give it a like. Thank you.